How does transportation in plants takes place? Plant has two things. One is xylem, the other is phloem. So the plant has xylem for water, transportation of water, and transportation of food, phloem does. So xylem for water transportation, phloem for food transportation. So xylem transport water from where? From the roots to different parts of the plants. Xylem tissue consists of vessels and tracheids. There is a loss of water because these are leaves, sunlight is falling over it. So loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plants like these is known as transpiration. The transpiration create a suction which pulls the water up to the higher plant. So if there is a transpiration, there is automatic, you can say the roots takes the water or sucks the water from the soil and it gives back where the transpiration has taken place. In the similar manner, the transport of food in plants is done by phloem. So it transports food from leaves now to different other parts of the plant.